Hi there, Raw Diamond. It's Annie Alex. Today we will be talking about diet and confidence, and we will start with what exactly is a diet. So, a diet is not what you're thinking of, it is not the regime you put yourself on to lose weight, but a diet is how you eat. How, what, and how often do you eat? That is the definition of the word diet. It is important for self esteem because what we eat becomes what we are. And that is not just a saying, it is actual facts. Because when you eat, you actually get the building blocks for all the hormones that are going on in your body. You get the building blocks for your muscles, you get the building blocks for your fat. When you eat, you get those building blocks, and then your body digests them. However, some of those building blocks, such as gluten or lactose, are difficult for some people to digest, which means that they stay in our intestines for way too long, and that influences how we feel. We might feel bloated, we might feel lethargic, we might feel tired or irritable. And those are just two of the examples. This is how all allergies work because your body cannot process those building blocks and it gets confused. When it gets confused, it might actually try to use them for something else, which leads to an irritable mood, bloating, or etc. That other consequences that are not the most pleasant. And when we eat the right food for us, we feel light, we feel happy after a meal, and we do not want to go to sleep. That is very important because a lot of people, when they eat way too much meat, for example, they feel very tired, they feel heavy, they feel like they want to take a nap. And that is not what is supposed to happen after a meal because meals are supposed to be our fuel. They are supposed to make us feel more energetic and not the other way around. So that's why I wanted to start with the diet journaling, which I mentioned in the last video. I will be uploading a diet journal where you can note how you feel from 1 to 10 on various aspects after a meal. What I want you to do is maybe half an hour after your meal, between half an hour and 2 hours after your meal, sit down and write down what you feel about what you ate. And maybe about 2 weeks' time, patterns will start to emerge. And you can actually take a look at what makes you feel good and what doesn't make you feel good when you eat it. And I also want you to take action, and I want you to go and check your blood work. Sometimes when you have deficiencies, that influences how we feel in a very, very big way. If you have deficiencies, it is very possible that you're not able to produce the enzymes or the hormones necessary for you to feel good and for you to digest your food properly. So I want you to go check your blood work, ask your GP to make a reading of your blood work so that you know if you have any sort of deficiencies or maybe you're overcompensating for something. Sometimes it is just that you cannot digest a certain vitamin or a certain mineral directly from your food, but you have to take supplements. So in the next video, we will be talking about culture and the two cultural aspects that can influence your confidence. I can't wait to see you there.